Here my baby go. It's all fucked up.
Welcome back, everybody. Appreciate everybody that been staying tuned, fucking with the boy and everything. I really do appreciate everyone, believe it or not. Today we're gonna do a little quick video, just an update about pretty much everything that happened since the accident. So we about to get into the video, but before that I want to let you know that I took it to one body shop. They did an estimate. It cost about $10,000 in damage. A little bit over $10,000 in damage. After that, they told me they would not work on an aftermarket vehicle. So I had to call at least 20 other body shops and found one that had room on their lot and that didn't mind working on an aftermarket, vehicle. So I found one. I'm about to go down there, take it. Well, I got it towed from the other body shop over there. So now I got to go down there, sign some paperwork so that they can start looking at the vehicle and get the estimate. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little bit over $10,000 too, because the last body shop did not, they didn't even look underneath the car. They said they weren't even trying to look underneath the car or anything. So I'm pretty sure that it's a lot of shit fucked up on the car. I know I'm gonna need 2 new back tires, 2 new back rims probably, radiator. This is all the stuff I remember and just the estimate of the other people. Radiator, the front bumper, the paint all messed up, the tires, the wheels, the rims. The tires and the wheels the same thing, but you know what I mean. And some other stuff, but I don't want to hold y'all up too long. Video not gonna be too long, just a quick update. They still hit me with the reckless driving thing, so gotta go to court soon about that. I give y'all an update and everything about that, but let's get into this video. We ain't trying to take all y'all time, you feel me? Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what y'all think, man, because y'all don't know. Y'all be helping me probably more than I help y'all, if I do help y'all. I don't know. But check out all the other videos, installing all the mods and all that, but let's get into this video. So I just made it down here to the body shop, everybody. We're about to go look at the car and pretty much see what they're saying, because the first body shop wouldn't do it because it had aftermarket parts on it. So I had to get it towed to this body shop, and they don't mind working on it with aftermarket parts and all of that stuff. So about to go get an estimate. The last estimate the people did was like 10 grand, but they said they didn't even look underneath the car or anything either. But we down here, we about to go look at it, so let's look at my baby now.
So, here my baby go. It's all fucked up. Shit got into the radiator. So they're supposed to get a whole new bumper and everything for me. I meant to tell them about my tires. This right here where they hit me at. Fuck that shit all up. Yeah, tires is completely bust. Fucked up. Side skirts coming off. Like, I'm gonna get that shit fixed. Hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much where it's at now. It look like my stickers even fucked up. Look. I had to peel all this shit off. But don't know how long it's gonna be out for, but there she go. That's crazy. So, just leaving the body shop. And pretty much they gonna hit me up and let me know what's gonna happen, what's going on and everything, because at the moment I don't know. And they didn't do the estimate. I had to come sign some papers that pretty much saying that they could work on my car. Luckily, I did get the front bumper off of Amazon. He said he's going to order that. I also let him know I just purchased those wheels, so get me the same wheels. So I got all four of the same wheels. So that's what we working on now. But yep, that's where we at right now. So stay tuned. We will see.